Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Explore IT Issues Solution for All. Did you know Windows 11 has a hidden feature that can give you access to almost all system settings from a single folder? The feature is called God Mode. In the today's video, I will show you how to enable God Mode in Windows 11 step by step, how it can help IT professional, administrator and normal user quickly manage Windows setting. So let's start it. Okay. So what is the God mode in Windows? So the so the first let's understand the God mode actually is. God mode is not a hacking tool or a special administrator account. It is a hidden Windows shortcut that combine hundreds of window management options into a one place. Normally, window settings are spread across the setting apps. Okay, like this control panel, administrative tool, and system management options. But with the God mode, you can access them from one single folder. Okay, so the step one is create a one folder on the desktop like this. First right click on anywhere on your desktop and new, click on new, then folder, and you can now we need to rename this folder with the special command. The command is this. I will show you. This is a special command. The same command I will told you on description and add it on the description. So copy this command and rename it. Suppose that I'll show you in the notepad. The command is this. Okay, so thus we have copied this command from here and right click. Suppose again I create one new folder here and paste it here. Once you hit enter, the icon is changed. So just like enter. Okay, it's asking. So yes, you can use it the same. So after pressing the enter, you will notice that the folder icon has changed. This means God mode has been successfully enabled. So now open folder. Now double click on this folder and here you can see the hundreds of Windows settings available in one place, like change default setting, media device, place CD drive, change add a device, advanced printer like device and printer, date and time, like this, ease of access centers, file explorer options, file history, font. So here you can see the hundreds of Windows settings available in the one place like this. Okay, for the IT engineers and administrator, this shortcut can save a lots of time because you don't need to search, correct? So you can also create a shortcut of this folder and keep it on your taskbar or inside your IT toolkit. Remember, God mode work on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7 only. Okay, so always be careful while changing the advanced Windows settings. Some option can affect system behavior, so only modify the setting that you can understand. Okay, so I hope you understand everything. I will show you this command in the description box so you can easily copy and rename it your folder. Okay, there is no issue. So if you find this Windows 11 trick useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel Explore IT Issue Solution for All for more video on your Windows troubleshooting, networking, VMware, Python automation and IT solution. Stay connected. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.